So I like this idea to get to the front right instead of trying to go down and around and under and over and back up again. Mostly because I'm lazy and I don't want to pull the motor out again. But I kind of like that. So I'm going to set some clamps.
Okay, cool. Rolling. Got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? Said, hurry, hurry. Yeah, your love is dead. I said, I got a letter this morning. How you reckon it read? I said, hurry, hurry. The guy you love is dead. Grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. Got down there, so laid out on that cooling board. I said, I grabbed my suitcase, took off down the road. I got down there, she was laid out on that cooling board. Well, I walked right close, looked down in her face. Said, the good old gal got laid to the judgment day. I said, I got right close, looked down in her face. The good old gal got to lay down till the judgment day. Look like there's 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. Didn't know I loved her till they laid her down. Looked like there were 10,000 people standing around the burying ground. I said I didn't know how much I loved her till they laid her down. Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. Would mistreat my baby for my weight in gold. I said, Lord have mercy on my wicked soul. I would mistreat my baby for my weight in gold. Well, I fold my arms, slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, honey, see you on Judgment Day. I said, I'll fold up my arms and slowly walked away. I said, fare thee well, see you on the Judgment Day. You know, I went in my room, I bowed down to pray. Blues came along, drove my spirit away. I said, I went into my room, bow my head to pray. I said the blues came along, Lord, drove my spirit away. You know, I didn't feel so bad till the good old sun went down. Didn't have a soul, throw my arms around. Said I didn't feel so bad. The good old sun went down. That's when I didn't have no soul, throw my arms around. Well, I said I loved you, baby, like I love myself. You don't have me, you won't have nobody else. I said I love you, baby, then I love myself. I can't have you, baby, when you can't have nobody else. You know it's hard, I love someone who don't love you. I said it's hard, it's so hard, love someone that don't love you. Ain't no satisfaction, don't care what in the world you do. Got up this morning, just about to break a day, hugging that pillow where she used to lay. I said I woke up this morning, just about to break a day. I said I was hugging that pillow where my girl used to lay. Woke up this morning, feeling for my shoes. You know about that, baby, I had more walking blues. I said I woke up this morning, feeling around for my shoes. I said, you know about that, baby, I had more walking blues. You know, I cried last night and the night before. Got to change my way of living so I don't cry no more. I said I cried last night and on the night before. Change my way of living, I don't have to cry no more. Hush, thought I heard her call my name. It was so loud, it was so nice and plain. I said, oh, hush, thought I heard her call my name. If it wasn't so loud, Lord, it's so nice and plain. Well, listen, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, try to get along with you. I said, now listen, oh, whatever you do, there is one thing, honey, I'll try to get along with you. Well, the minutes seem like hours and the hours seem like days. It seemed like good old gal don't stop the low down ways. I said, minutes seem like hours, hours seem like days. Oh, my good old gal don't stop the low down cheating ways. You know, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. I said, love's a hard old phone, make you do things you don't want to do. Well, love sometimes make you feel sad and blue. I said, well, I love sometimes make you feel sad and blue.
So we went from here to here 12 inches. A little bit from here to here 12 inches. Again, you can do this in the vehicle, on the vehicle, whatever you want to call it. Need to put a hole down about right here. in here. And not, I mean, it's not going to vibrate that much. Here it'll vibrate a little bit. So 25 feet ain't enough to do the whole truck. I gotta buy another roll. But I did this one, and now I'm working on the right, or the right rear. So this one's coming here, and then the left rear will come out and run along the top, because it's gonna break over and that one's gonna go that way.